The third Monday in January is sometimes referred to as the most difficult day of the year. But this is a myth. At Samaritans, they believe there's no such thing as Blue Monday. We all have good days and bad days, and those ain't for the calendar to decide.
So we say it's time to stop this myth about Monday being blue and instead start a conversation over a brew. Brew Monday. Reach out and connect with family, friends, colleagues and loved ones.
Laura and I are proud to be ambassadors of French Paint, who have formed a partnership with Samaritans and dedicated 5 chosen colours to support them. 10% of the sales from the colours And Breathe, Cool Beans, Go Lightly, Serenity and Steaming Green will be donated directly to Samaritans to help them continue the vital work they do.
So please spread the word that any day can be a Brew Monday. It doesn't matter if it's a Monday morning or Saturday night, or if you're drinking green tea, black coffee or orange juice. If you're sharing a cuppa and listening, you're doing it right.
French Paint. It's not just about the paint, it's the passion for people.